Professor Pineapple smiled warmly at the young fruits. Today we remember United Nations Day. It began in 1945 after a big war. Strawberry Sam hopped with excitement. But why did the fruits make a United Nations professor? Professor Pineapple nodded gently. Many fruits wanted peace after the fighting. They dreamed of talking instead of battling. A wise date palm fruit arrived from far lands. He wore a small hat and spoke softly. His name was Diplomat Date. Diplomat Date told the story of the meeting. Fruits from many trees gathered in a sunny place. They wanted rules for getting along. Strawberry Sam asked another question right away. But why did they need so many rules? Professor Pineapple answered with a kind voice. Rules helped fruits share food and settle fights. No one wanted more wars. Diplomat Date showed a big paper called the Charter. Fruits from 50 lands signed their names. The paper said they would help each other. The signing happened on October 24. Everyone cheered when the last fruit finished. That day, the United Nations was born. Strawberry Sam clapped his little leaves. But what did the United Nations do first? Professor Pineapple pointed to a picture of fruits talking. They made a big fruit bowl meeting spot. All could sit and share ideas there. Diplomat Date smiled at the happy memory. The new group helped fruits after the war. They sent food and doctors to sick places. Strawberry Sam wanted to know even more. But how did fruits from far trees find the spot? Professor Pineapple explained with a soft chuckle. Ships and planes brought every fruit safely. They met in a city by the sea. The fruits voted on kind new laws together. Each one got one voice in the big bowl. No fruit was left out of the talk. Diplomat Date remembered feeling proud that day. Working as one made the fruits stronger. Peace grew like sweet vines on a wall. Strawberry Sam bounced again with wonder. But what if some fruits still felt mad? Professor Pineapple looked thoughtful for a moment. The United Nations helped them listen and forgive. Talking often cooled hot tempers fast. Many fruits still meet every year now. They fix problems like hungry little trees. They plan fun days for all young fruits. Diplomat Date waved his leafy branch proudly. United Nations Day reminds every fruit to visit. Friends come from every garden and grove. Strawberry Sam asked one last big question. But why do we still celebrate it today? Professor Pineapple gave a warm, gentle nod. The day shows fruits can choose peace again. It started with brave hearts in 1945. The wise date shared a tiny seed packet. It stood for growing kindness between lands. Every fruit could plant some too. Fruits around the world now sing happy songs. They draw pictures of the big fruit bowl. Children learn the story in school. Strawberry Sam felt happy and a bit sleepy. The fruits really did a good thing then. Professor Pineapple patted Sam on his red head. Yes, and the group still helps friends today. Peace grows when fruits keep talking. Diplomat Date bowed to the young reporter. Remember to listen when others feel sad. A kind word can stop a small fight. Strawberry Sam promised to try it at home. He would share his berries with everyone. No more arguing over the best spots. Professor Pineapple closed the big storybook. United Nations Day is a time for hope. Fruits everywhere can be good neighbors now. What we learned is that talking together brings peace like sweet juice shared by friends.